Honda Malaysia has issued a precautionary recall for 28,399 units of 2013 year model vehicles to replace Takata passenger front airbag inflator. It said on Thursday the models involved in this recall are City, 2013 year model, Jazz, 2013 year model, Jazz Hybrid, 2013 year model, and Insight, 2013 year model. As at March, the company has replaced more than 223,000 units of Takata driver front airbag inflator, or an 84% completion ratio. The total number of Takata driver and passenger front airbag inflator replacements completed is at more than 435,000 units, or 77% completion ratio. Honda Malaysia reiterates that all its current selling models are not affected and will continue to uphold transparency and stringent controls to ensure customer safety, it said. It said as of Thursday, there are no crashes or injuries related to this Takata passenger front airbag inflator reported in Malaysia. Honda Malaysia said it would be informing all affected customers via notification letters which will include details of the product recall. Customers who receive these letters are encouraged to send their vehicles to the nearest Honda authorized dealer for inspection and replacement for free. It also said there was 100% stock availability for front driver and passenger airbag inflators, excluding front passenger airbag inflator parts availability for this recall, and increased service capacity via mobile hubs at selected Petronas stations, hubs at Honda road shows, and prioritizing replacement activities at dealerships. Honda Malaysia emphasized it was doing its utmost best to ensure the stock was all available for the Takata passenger front airbag related to this recall, which was currently limited. The replacement would be carried out once the parts are ready, and the cost of parts and labor will be borne by Honda Malaysia. Honda Malaysia said it would continue to proactively recall vehicles on the Takata front airbag inflator issue and continue alerting and informing customers of the importance of replacing the affected vehicles' airbag inflators via increased frequency of postings on social media and SMS blast. Owners of Honda vehicles affected by the airbag inflator product recall are advised to immediately get their vehicles checked and parts replaced at any Honda authorized service dealers or mobile hubs as soon as possible.